Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to launch your Audi S4. First, make sure your car's engine and transmission are at their optimal operating temperatures, neither too hot nor too cold, for best performance. Next, find a safe, straight and clear stretch of road. It is crucial that your steering wheel is pointed perfectly straight. Finally, engage dynamic mode through your Audi Drive Select system. Now, let's prepare the car's electronic systems. Find the Electronic Stability Control, or ESC, button on your center console. Press and hold this button for about 5 seconds until you see ESC off, illuminated on your dashboard. This step is vital as it fully deactivates both traction and stability control, allowing for an uninhibited launch. With the car prepared, it's time to engage launch control. Use your left foot to firmly press the brake pedal all the way to the floor. Simultaneously, with your right foot, quickly and completely mash the accelerator pedal. You will notice the engine RPMs rise and then hold steady, typically around 3,000 revolutions per minute. This signifies that your Audi S4's launch control system is now fully activated. The moment of truth has arrived. While keeping your right foot firmly planted on the accelerator, quickly and smoothly release your left foot from the brake pedal. Your Audi S4 will then launch forward with incredible force, delivering maximum acceleration and minimal wheel spin. Experience the thrill of a perfectly executed, seamless launch, pushing you back into your seat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.